Hello, I'm Roger. We're here to talk about solar energy. That's turning sunlight into electricity. And these are the solar panels that we use to do that. About 15 years ago, we bought some property back in northern Michigan that was about 600 feet off the road. And we decided we weren't going to pay $20,000 to have a power company put our electricity in, so we would go and use solar panels. We're experimenting with that because we've never done that before, but I'm going to walk through and show you what we did and how we built it and how well it's working. So these are the solar panels that we had. We bought two different sets of panels. The first time we tried, we didn't quite have enough, so we bought an additional set. These panels would block sunlight. The reaction inside with the different types of metal inside those panels turning into electricity. Into a box in the back. We'll walk around there and take a look. You can see the panels have the wire coming down from each panel, coming down the post into this box. There's a splitter inside the box where it gathers all the panels, the wires to the panels together, and it goes down through a single wire down in underground and back to the back of the house. We had to change out that wire. We had a regular house wire in there originally, but it was a solid and a smaller wire, and we found out that the distance to the house was too far to be able to send enough juice through that wire. So we had to rewire it with a stranded type of wire that would carry more voltage and get to the house and charge the batteries a little bit stronger. So we'll go up to the house and we'll show you what we got inside the box where we do all the Okay, here's the box that we've got. It's just a fiberglass box, but it is watertight with the cover down. The wire comes in here. This is the 10-gauge stranded wire that comes in here. There's actually two wires. And they go to this charger relay, and it shows how many volts it's being charged right now. 12.9 volts are coming in. From that point, it goes to these two batteries that are hooked up to the charger. And it charges those DC voltage again. And from there, it goes from the batteries with these big wires into our inverter, which changes that DC voltage to AC voltage. The DC voltage we can charge, we can store in the batteries. It's a lower voltage, it's only 12 volts. When it gets to the inverter, it gets inverted into 120 volts, which is AC current. And then it goes into these wires through the plug and into our electrical panel and into the house.